Have you ever experienced hiccups out of nowhere and wondered if someone was talking about you? This superstition is fascinating and exists in many cultures. The belief is that if you suddenly get hiccups, someone is mentioning your name, good or bad. A fun trick to figure out who it is involves thinking of people one by one. When the hiccups stop, that's the person. But let's not forget the science behind it. Hiccups are just involuntary spasms of the diaphragm, often caused by eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even excitement. It's intriguing how a simple bodily reaction can spark such a playful myth. So, do you believe in this superstition? It's a quirky thought that adds a little magic to those unexpected hiccups.